Hey everyone. So here I've got yet another Diamond Art Club unboxing. Um this will be it for a few days. Yeah, I said days. Allison, get a grip, right? We've seen the boxes. It has its steps. It's got its content. Um you know the drill. I'm sure you've all watched not just mine, but other people's unboxings as well. I noticed that a few people are starting to show that they do diamond art as well, besides just crochet, which I think is completely awesome, because this is a fun craft as well. I mean, I do, like I said, a ton of different crafts. Diamond painting and yarn isn't the only things I do, but anyhow, let's get to it. Wow, it looks like every one of these that I opened today has been rounds. All three of them has been rounds. So again, round, you get your wax, your toolkit, or your pen, excuse me, your squishy, some baggies, your basic clear boat. I'm not going to open it up. We have seen them all a million times. Our drills, we'll get to that here in a moment. Get them out of the way. Let's get to this. Now I have, like I said, if you watched any of my other videos, I got this and two others, well, quite a few others, when I was living in my rental, and I'm just now getting to the opening. So I know a lot of you have already seen these being unboxed, but you haven't seen me unbox them, so it's new since it's me, right? I love her. Now they switched her, and I'll get more into detail about that. Because they don't have, well, they might still have her full version, this full version, but it's discontinued. This full version is discontinued. They still might have some in stock. I'm not sure. I'll have to look, and I'll post it here if they do or not. But I know that they've got the newer version of her now. Whoops, bump y'all. I'm really bad at doing that. So here you get your little instructions, just in case you have never diamond painted. Now they don't do this anymore. They have a little pamphlet now, but here is their website. I do have a link down below. It'll give you a 10% discount if you all are interested. Here is the Ice Princess. She's a 55 by 69. Isn't she just gorgeous? I mean, look at that. But what I was saying is now they've got it so that it's from here down, no more. So in the newer one, it's from only here up. I wanted this because look at the snow leopard. So, yeah. Isn't she gorgeous, though? Just beautiful. But yeah, so for now on, the newer ones, it's just going to be this top part. No more of this. But look at her dress. And the snow leopard. I mean, oh my gosh. So, like I said, if they still have some of this one, I will let you know down here. If they're sold out, then the one that they will have is the newer one that is right here. So this is a round with ABs. Here is what it is. There is, let's see, 1, 2, looks like 2 ABs. And we've got, let's see, how many colors? Oh, we got 4 ABs. No, 3 ABs. Hold on. Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3 ABs. And 33 colors. These are some really nice symbols. Okay, let's take a look at the canvas. Oh, is she not gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at her. And look at the snow leopard. Oh my gosh. I see this right here, the snow leopard. And then of course her long flowing hair and her dress. I absolutely love it. It looks like we've got like flowers all down through here. The trees with the snow. Or maybe these are crystals. Maybe these aren't flowers. Maybe these are like just crystals. I don't know. And then we got the snow owl up here. Oh, she is so pretty. I love her eyes. I love all of that. That looks like... There you go. So, see, 1 and 2. There are 2s in her eyes and some 1s. So there's some ABs in her eyes throughout her hair. And let's see, kind of scattered throughout here. And then let's see the arrows. So all of the arrows is, again, just kind of scattered throughout the ice mountains. Through the trees. Yep, so the ABs are literally scattered throughout the whole entire picture. Her dress looks like all of the snowflakes here are going to be the ABs. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous. Look at that field. So easy to read. Get up here, and there's where the ABs will be. So the 2 will be the white, it looks like, and then the arrow and number 1 looks like will be green and blue, because the blue ABs are right here, the arrows, right here. So those are the other ABs. And then these green ones are going to be the other ABs. So we've got our schematic. Beautiful. And then we have our ledger. So this is on the top left. And then, top left. And then we have the ledger on the bottom right. Oh, she is so gorgeous. I love, and it's sad that they're not going to do that. Because like I said, so for now on, it's going to be, from here down is going to be gone. And then from here up is what, the newer version is. But I'm glad I got this one because it's got the snow leopard and it's got her full dress and her long flowing hair. You can see like her long flowing hair here. And I think these are just crystals. I mean, I can't imagine it being flowers, being that it's an ice princess, but I don't know. All right, let's take a look at the drills. If I can remember where I put them, here we go. So here we go. Wow. Beautiful colors already. I can just see that. I love the light greens. I don't know, I call it Like, it's almost like a mint, like a baby mint green. I love it. Okay. So let's start right here. See how pretty that is? And we got our 310s, of course. Oh, we've only got 2 packs of 310s. Lots and lots of whites. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the whites. That's expected. Oh, that's a pretty blue. Oh, look at that aqua. I love that. Oh, light pretty blue. Oh, wow. See, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It just reminds me of the ocean. Love it. Oh, 2 of those. Oh, here's one of the ABs. So there's the blue AB. Isn't that gorgeous? Sparkle. And then a really pretty green. Oh, I love how they sparkle. Love it, love it, love it. Grab the others. That's a really pretty peach. Like, really pretty. It's almost like a really... No, it's a peach. It's almost true to color. That's gorgeous. Pretty greens. Oh, look at that green. That's really pretty. Pretty pinks. There's the green AB. Gorgeous. Look at that, just sparkle. Love it, love it, love it. Really pretty yellow. Ooh, it's kind of a sea foam green. That's really pretty. It almost looks the same, but that one's darker. Pretty blue. That's a pretty green. Another peach. Pink. Oh, that's a pretty pink. Kind of a charcoal gray. Just a different shade of it. There's the other AB with an intruder. Isn't that gorgeous? I love how the ABs just sparkle. Greens, different shades of greens, and another shade of blue. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I'll deal with those afterwards. Oops. Take one more look at her. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wish I had the time, but she's gonna go in my to-do list pile. And I don't know when I'll get to her. It'll probably be next year amongst a lot of the others. But anyhow, woo, losing drills. Anyhow, I hope you guys like her. She is just gorgeous. I know I do. I love her. I can't wait to get her done. I haven't figured out where I'm going to hang her. My daughter will see it and probably want it though. So it'll probably get hung up in her room. But anyhow, I will let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can always be notified when I put up videos. Definitely share if you can any of my videos. I'd appreciate that. Give thumbs up or down, up to you, and leave me a comment. I love reading your comments. I always read them. I always heart them to let you know that I have read them. I do try to reply as much as I can. Sometimes I just don't know what to say. You know, I'm more of a talker. I'm not one for texting and stuff, so I apologize for that. I am working on that. Anyhow, I'm going to let you guys go. I love you all, and I hope, again, you all have a wonderful day or night. And as always, don't forget to smile. Bye-bye.